Ford Focus ends production after 27 years. A shift in European strategy after nearly 3 decades, production of the Ford Focus has ceased at its European manufacturing plant, marking a significant turning point for the American automaker's strategy in the region. The final vehicle rolled off the line in Saarlouis, Germany, as Ford increasingly prioritizes higher-margin SUV offerings and adapts to a changing automotive landscape. A strategic shift towards SUVs. Ford announced in 2022 its intention to restructure its European lineup, focusing on American heritage models and SUVs. The decision to discontinue the Focus, alongside the earlier axing of the Fiesta in 2023, reflects a broader industry trend: the decline of small, affordable hatchbacks in favor of more profitable, larger vehicles. This shift is driven by consumer demand and the pressure to maximize returns in a competitive market. Impact on manufacturing and workforce. The closure of the Saarlouis plant leaves its future uncertain, with no immediate buyer secured. Ford is consolidating production in Valencia, Spain, for next-generation vehicles. This consolidation underscores the broader trend of automakers streamlining operations and reducing manufacturing footprints in response to electrification and changing market dynamics. The shift impacts the workforce, raising concerns about job security and regional economic stability. The rise of SUVs and EVs. Ford's European lineup now leans heavily on SUVs, including the Kuga, Escape, Explorer, and Mustang Mach-E. The Explorer and Capri models, based on Volkswagen's MEB EV platform, have faced slow sales, highlighting the challenges of entering the EV market with untested models. The company is also considering a new mid-size SUV, set to launch in 2027, to fill the gap left by the Focus, potentially offering hybrid and electric options. Market share, decline, and future prospects. Ford's market share in Europe has plummeted over the past decade, dropping from second-largest brand to 12th. The discontinuation of the Fiesta and Focus has contributed to this decline. Despite this, the company remains committed to regaining prominence with a refreshed, SUV-focused lineup and established models like the Kuga, offering multi-powertrain options. There are also reports of Ford considering reintroducing mass-market passenger cars in Europe, signaling a potential shift in strategy. Legacy and sales figures. Over its 27-year run, more than 12 million Ford Focus vehicles have been sold globally. In Australia, sales peaked in 2013 with 19,180 deliveries, but declined sharply in later years, culminating in just 39 sales in 2023 before being discontinued locally. The Australian lineup now focuses on commercial vehicles like the Ranger Ute and Transit vans, with the Everest and Mach-E as the primary SUV offerings. The end of the Ford Focus marks a clear turning point in the automaker's European strategy. The shift towards SUVs and EVs is a reflection of broader industry trends, but the long-term success of this approach remains to be seen. The company's ability to regain market share and adapt to changing consumer preferences will determine its future in the region.